Okay, so welcome to the guided tour around the lazy river. If I work out the official name, I might put it on the screen, but officially I don't know. So this is one of the cafes, outdoor cafes, that is next to the lazy river. Again, if I know the name or find out the name, I will put it on the screen. If you come around this way, this is a stepped entrance, so it kind of opens up to a pool. That feels like a pool in its own right, even though it is connected to the lazy river. So if you don't want to go around the river, you can hang out in the pool there. Plenty of seating. You can of course see a massive part of the hotel behind. This is the swim up bar. There are bar seats, maybe about 8, something like that, in a row. And the person working there will come down their steps to your level, so they will be level with the water. If we come round this way, we're heading round the river. Now, one of the questions, is the lazy river, does it actually have a current? And the answer is yes. It has a mild lazy river current. We have investigated. There are little pumps around the edge and they are directional. So they send you round this way, which is an anti-clockwise direction. You can see a glimpse. There's a private island in the middle with cabanas. There's a champagne cart and there's a small private pool on there. I believe you have to pay an additional charge to go on there, but of course do check the website for any official information. Coming up now, my personal favourite, there is big rock work coming up, as you can see, with a waterfall. This is just the start of the waterfall, but don't be fooled, it will get bigger. Follow this way around. Over there where those parasols are is another pool. But there we go. This is the waterfall. If you head toward the waterfall, you can climb up the steps and you can go in that cave. It doesn't take you anywhere. It's not a walkthrough. You can just go into that cave. Have a little photo shoot. There are 2 more water features here. And then there's a secret little section here, a little rock island. And if you come in this way, there are some pumps here sending you around so you can see the bubbles. So you get an extra boost. Here we go, we're coming around the corner around Rock Island, which is a name I've made up. And there we go, we've gone round it. Another view of the waterfall. Lovely jubbly. And come round this way. If you're looking to sit somewhere that is away from the cafe and away from where they do any of the outdoor water activities and things like that, which does play music, this is a quieter side. You can see the lighthouse in the middle. To my right, there is some extra seating up there, hidden behind the rockwork. You can just see glimpses of parasols. That's extra sunbeds, and that is actually on the seafront. And here we go. To the left here, this is the better view of the cabanas that I was talking about. So I've called that Cabana Island. Again, if there's a genuine name, I'll put it on the screen. If not, then there won't be. And if I just get closer and lift you up, you'll be able to see there's a champagne cart there. And you can see the pool. That's a private pool there. Carrying on round, we've nearly done a full circuit. You can of course go at your own pace. There are outdoor showers, like the one in the middle of the screen. We're getting closer and closer to the lighthouse. In this direction is where the massive infinity pool is. So if you got out the water and went straight on this way, That's how you would get to the infinity pool. So we're heading around this way. Coming up to the bridge, so if you did want to go to the cabanas, you would need to go over this bridge, and that's how you get onto the island in the middle. And this is where we started. So this is coming back round to the cafe. Here it is. There's a lifeguard. There are lifeguards around. So yes, the cafe section is on the right. It is table service. And if you come around this way, this will take you back round to the pool where the swim up bar is. Okay, and there's plenty of access to get onto the island in the middle as well from the water. So there's different steps there. And that is your full tour of the lazy river.